All right, super simple, easy to make valve spring compressor for your small block Chevy, Ford, or any motor that has a valve spring that's overhead valve that you can get one of these pry bars in there. Yeah, let's do it. All right, I ordered a valve spring compressor. It never showed up in time. I don't know why I just didn't make one in the first place. Here's a simple way to make a valve spring compressor for any small block, Chevy, Ford, whatever overhead cam motor. Super simple. I use a pry bar like this. You get them super cheap, like $4 or $5 at Home Depot or wherever, Harbor Freight. The reason why I use this over like a wrench or any other flat things is that this is a little bit thicker metal. It has a contour and it's just a better quality metal for most of them. But the main thing is that it has a curve already built into it. Usually if you have a flat stock, you're gonna have to make that bend, for the arc to pull the valve spring. But yeah, a couple of tools, a grinding wheel, some files, open up, and oh yeah, and that's also another thing is that these tools usually have a hole already drilled into them. All you have to do is expand it out. Super simple, probably 10 minutes of farting around with this thing, and I made myself a valve spring compressor. I should have did that in the first place, but whatever. All right, let me show you how it works on the motor. And once you're done, I'm using the old studs here because I'm going to go with the 7/16, but you can, just be careful with them. Simple washer, put the nut back on, and boom. You can see I can get to the retainers. This is just a test fit on the head, so there's no pistons or anything in this block, so we're gonna have to get these heads all cleaned up and then do the valve spring change while on the engine, or you can do it on the bench if you want or whatever. But yeah, a couple bucks, grinding tools, you got yourself a valve spring compressor. Super simple, out of a pry bar. You can use any flats. I just had this laying around, I just cut it up, but any flat bar that has some girth to the metal so it doesn't flex or bend under the pressure of the spring. Yeah, okay.